making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm late.
Okay, here we have Tim, better known as the cameraman. Hi, Tim.
Hi, Baking Diva.
Next to Tim, we have my son, Scott. Hi, Scott.
Hello.
And over here we have someone most of you know from being in other videos, my grandson, Lucas. And what are the three of them doing today? Well,
making Antipasto.
what was that, Lucas? What are they making?
Antipasto.
That's right. They're making antipasto.
No, anti-pie.
And this was something that I grew up with, being Italian. My father made it every year. He made big plates of it. He taught my son Scott how to make it. And now Scott is teaching his son Lucas how to make it.
His first time making it, right?
His first time making a what, Lucas?
Are you eating what are you making? What's the
First time Lucas making a what?
Antipasto.
And how do you say it in Italian?
For you to eat?
Antipasto. Part of the fun of making the antipasto is what, guys? Eating it. So let me show you a little bit about what they've started to do so far. Down here, well, Lucas has been folding all the Genoa salami,
It's just regular.
putting it all around the tray. Scott has the prosciutto
This
di
is Grandpa.
Parma.
This is me and Lucas. This is Grandpa.
Oh, okay.
No, that's
That's the prosciutto di Parma. And the prosciutto di Parma we bought 1 pound of because, cameraman,
Yeah.
how much is prosciutto di Parma a pound?
$20.
Whoa, $20 a pound. Whoa. And then here we have, what's this again?
Mortadella.
Mortadella. I should know. I'm Italian.
You're half Italian.
So,
Barely.
I'm 100% Italian. So Scott is setting up this tray, and they're putting the meats on it first. We're making 2 trays instead of 1 big one. We're going to put 1 on each end of the table. And with the antipasto, let's see what else we're going to put in it. We're going to put in this antipasto. Ooh, look. Sweet roasted
This is real Mortadella.
peppers.
This is pistachios.
Oh, let's go over here.
Pistachios?
What's in there?
Pistachios.
Oh my gosh, look, there's pistachio nuts in the mortadella.
We're gonna say it was real.
Look at that. That's interesting. Well, anyway, let's see here. We bought these all in Carato's, the Italian grocery store. And this is the Cento marinated mushrooms.
Cento.
Oh, they're correcting me. And here we have the sweet roasted peppers. We have marinated artichoke hearts. Here's some Italian-style antipasto peppers. And here's some sweet cherry peppers. And we have some pitted Kalamata olives. Some sweet stuffed peppers. And some green olives. And of course, you have to have, they're discussing how to do this platter, and you have to have cheese. So the cameraman is over there cutting up the imported, what is that, cameraman?
It is imported
Sharp provolone. Oh, that's the best part. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. And what else you have over there, cameraman? Don't you have, oh wait, I think you have some fresh mozzarella balls. Let me come over there and see.
That's a J.
Yeah. So, I'm going to leave them alone for a minute because Scott is instructing Lucas. Let me see. Oh, Lucas. You did a great job there. I think this tray over here is supposed to be Lucas and Scott's, right?
No, it's them 2 versus 1.
Oh, it's the dad and the son versus the grandson.
Say it again?
And I don't know what this looks like. Oh, Lucas, hold up the tuna. You always have to put a can of Italian tuna in the center of your antipasto. Turn that around a little bit. And look at the brand name of this tuna. Just turn it a little, Lucas. There, oh, no, there it is. Dolores. It's Dolores tuna. Never heard of it. But it was in the Italian grocer, so I bought it. So this is quite a project. And they're all having a good time. Christmas is going to be at my house tomorrow, just with the immediate family. And then my daughter's coming with her husband and my other two grandsons. And my son-in-law's parents are coming. So there'll be 11 of us. So we're playing it safe. And it's all good. So I'm going to let them get back to work now. And I'll take a couple of stills to put in. And I'll be back when they've made a little bit more progress on the antipasto. There's the cameraman over here opening up the fresh mozzarella. It's very fresh. It's dripping all over the place. Scott took over. Lucas is taking a little break. Such a work of art. The Italian restaurants out there don't have anything on us, right, guys?
Yeah.
Are any of you Italian? And do you make any of these antipastos for the holidays? We usually have a big one at my brother's house for Thanksgiving, but due to the coronavirus, everyone was quarantined, stayed in their own homes. So now, just hosting Christmas here with our family, and we're making our own antipastos.
Here's the beans.
Well, the cheese has arrived now on one of the platters. We have the tuna in the center, and
I'm doing this by myself.
Scott is putting on the antipasto peppers. It's smelling really good in here. Look at this, we're getting there. I see we have the artichoke hearts on there, peppers, the marinated mushrooms. What are you putting on now, Scott?
Clamato olives.
What do you do, Scott?
I test
Put one on and eat one. Put one on and eat one.
Test it all.
You're testing them? Okay. Alrighty. Well, the antipasto is finished. If that isn't a masterpiece, I don't know what is. Oh, the smell is just heavenly. Oh, all that salami and peppers and mushrooms and cheese. And olives and oh, the aroma. Can't wait to dig into that. Well, here are the men. And the antipasto is completed. Let me zoom in on that. Oh boy. Look at those babies. So what do you think, guys?
What are you eating now? Looks good.
What do you think, cameraman?
It's turning out good.
As an Irishman, they look spectacular.
And have you learned what the name of it is now, Lucas?
Luchino antipasto.
What the heck?
Antipasto italiano, Luchino.
Okay, whatever.
Antipasto.
What is it called?
Antipasto.
All right. Well, everything looks good. Thank you, guys. I look forward to eating it.
Okay.
All right.
Toodles.
Toodles.